Today, we're diving into 5 passive income small business ideas that can help you earn while you sleep. These ideas are perfect for anyone looking to generate extra income without constant effort. Idea 1. Coin-operated boxing punching machine. First on our list is the coin-operated boxing punching machine. This fun and engaging machine is perfect for places like entertainment venues, arcades, bars, and gyms. It costs $1,750, making it a relatively affordable investment. To start this passive income business, you simply need to buy the machine and place it in a high-traffic area. Think about locations where people are looking to have fun or blow off some steam. Bars and arcades are great spots because people are already in the mood for games and entertainment. The machine operates with coins, so customers can easily pay to test their strength. It's simple to use. They insert a coin, punch the bag, and the machine displays their score. The challenge and excitement of beating their own or other scores keep people coming back for more. This machine requires minimal maintenance and can be left unattended, making it a truly passive income stream. You just need to periodically collect the coins and ensure the machine is in working order. With its engaging nature and ease of use, the coin-operated boxing punching machine is a great way to earn money while providing entertainment. Idea 2. Ice cream vending machine. Next, we have the ice cream vending machine. This machine is perfect for hot days in busy locations like malls, parks, schools, and office buildings. It costs $5,500, making it a solid investment for anyone looking to start a passive income business. To get started, buy the machine and stock it with a variety of popular ice cream flavors. Consider including both classic favorites and trendy options to attract a wide range of customers. Place the machine in a high-traffic area where people are likely to crave a cold treat. Ideal spots include entrances to parks, near playgrounds, food courts in malls, or even outside large office buildings where workers might want a sweet break. One of the best features of this ice cream vending machine is its real-time monitoring and automatic service. This means you can keep track of inventory and sales remotely, reducing the need for frequent visits. The machine will notify you when it needs restocking or if there are any issues, making it incredibly easy to manage. With its appealing product and low-maintenance operation, this ice cream vending machine can generate a steady stream of income. It's a great way to satisfy customers' sweet tooth while earning money passively. Idea 3. Laundry machine. Our third idea is the laundromat commercial laundry machine, priced at $2,500. This machine is perfect for apartment complexes, dormitories, and other communal living spaces where residents need convenient access to laundry facilities. To get started, purchase the machine and install it in a common area that's easily accessible to all residents, such as a laundry room or a shared utility space. Make sure the location has the necessary water and electrical connections. Once installed, the machine operates on a pay-per-use basis. Residents can simply load their laundry, insert coins, or use a card payment system, and start their wash cycle. This setup provides a convenient service for residents while generating a steady income for you. The beauty of this business is its minimal maintenance requirements. Modern commercial laundry machines are designed to be durable and efficient, needing only occasional cleaning and servicing. You can even set up a maintenance schedule with a local service provider to ensure the machine remains in good working order. Additionally, you can consider adding a dryer alongside the washing machine to offer a complete laundry solution. This can further increase your income potential as residents will appreciate the convenience of being able to wash and dry their clothes in one place. With its low-maintenance operation and essential service, a commercial laundry machine can provide a reliable and consistent source of passive income. Idea 4. Coin-operated basketball arcade game machine. Fourth on our list is the coin-operated basketball arcade game machine, available for just $650. This machine is perfect for entertainment centers, arcades, family fun centers, and even bars and restaurants that have game rooms. To get started, purchase the machine and set it up in a popular spot where people can easily see and access it. Ideal locations include near the entrance of an arcade, in a high-traffic area within an entertainment venue, or in a dedicated game room. The game is simple and engaging. Players insert coins to start, then try to score as many baskets as they can within a set time limit. The machine keeps track of their scores, adding an element of competition as players try to beat their own or others' high scores. This competitive aspect encourages repeat play, helping the machine quickly pay for itself. Maintenance for the basketball arcade game machine is minimal. Regular checks to ensure everything is functioning properly, occasional cleaning, and emptying the coin box are typically all that's required. You might also want to keep some spare parts on hand for quick repairs to minimize downtime. The affordability of this machine makes it an attractive investment, and its fun and competitive nature ensures a steady stream of players. By placing the machine in a high-traffic area, you can generate consistent passive income while providing entertainment for your customers. Idea 5. High-pressure car washer. Fifth on our list is the high-pressure car washer. This machine is a more substantial investment at $13,500, but it has great potential for generating significant passive income. It's ideal for busy urban areas where people are looking for quick and convenient car wash services. To start, purchase the machine and find a strategic location to set it up. Look for places with high traffic, such as near gas stations, shopping centers, or along busy streets. Ensure the location is easily accessible for drivers and has the necessary water and power connections. The high-pressure car washer offers a quick and efficient service, which is a major draw for busy car owners who want to get their vehicles cleaned without spending a lot of time. The machine is designed to handle a large volume of cars, making it capable of generating a high return on investment. Customers can drive up, pay either through coins, bills, or a card system, and get their cars washed in a matter of minutes. The convenience and speed of the service will attract repeat customers, ensuring a steady stream of income. Maintenance for the high-pressure car washer involves regular checks to ensure all parts are functioning correctly, keeping the water supply clean, and occasionally servicing the mechanical components. Setting up a maintenance schedule with a professional service can help keep the machine in top condition and minimize downtime. Given its efficiency and convenience, the high-pressure car washer can quickly become a popular choice for drivers in urban areas, providing you with a consistent and profitable passive income stream. Links for all these machines are on description.